Si te ves.
Bienvenidos al mejor fucking canal del mundo.
During TSA screening, learn more about LAX's face covering X.com.
Hey guys, hey L&E fam, welcome to a new video.
I'm Letty.
I'm Esteban.
And we are L&E.
Right now, we're actually at the airport at LAX. We are going to visit my family in Houston, Texas. And it's your first time in an airplane, right?
This is my very first time ever flying on an airplane. Super excited, and we will be stopping in Colorado because I don't know what happened, but...
Well, it's one of those cheap flights, you know, we have to save some money. So we're actually boarding in like 20 to 30 minutes. So we'll just
see you guys when we're on board. I'm going on a trip on a favorite rocket ship.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, sailing through.
I'm making him carry my bag as well because that's his job. As you see, it is very empty.
While walking throughout the building,
What do I say?
may I have your attention, please? All travelers, if any unknown person attempts to give you any item, including
hell no.
luggage to transport.
Safety first.
Why are you going to the nursing room?
I wanted to tell you something.
Actually, right now about to take off. That's the first takeoff she's experiencing.
Still slow though, it's still going.
So let's see what your reaction is, baby.
I'm chilling right now, but I'm just scared for the lift off.
Oh, you feel it?
Oh, my ears.
And here we go. We'll catch you guys later.
What is that noise?
Hey guys, so we're finally here in Houston, Texas.
Welcome to Austin, Texas, ASAP.
Thank you, sir.
Well, actually, we've been here already like for a day and a half. We were not able to record much of anything because as soon as we got in our second plane, our camera died. As soon as we got back, we put it to charge. It was charging. But then yesterday we were out all day and we forgot to take our camera. I know, we're terrible at this, but right now is our last day here. We're gonna do a couple cool things. Right now, actually gonna see one of my friends from Miami. It's also like hot as fuck in here.
To be in the shot. He wants to be in the shot.
Brother, epa. This is Henry right here. He's one of my best friends in the world. Look at him. Venezuela, papa. So yeah, he's gonna show us around. We're gonna go eat somewhere. Let's go. We're here.
What are you doing? What do you mean we're here? We're just...
Picking up my best friend's wife. Wifey. It's my girlfriend, bro. Okay.
Está dura sin que se opere. Dice que conmigo está dentro del avión. Se viene y grita como Celine Dion. Una movie porno pero sin el guión. La echa afuera.
We're about to go eat some tacos because you know tacos are good any time of the day. Look how pretty it is here. Like there's a lot of pond areas.
Si te ves.
Bienvenidos al mejor fucking canal del mundo.
Lo que es
Carla y Henry. Vamos a hacer un challenge. ¿Cuál es el challenge? Bueno, pero colabórale al canal, ¿no?
So about that, we literally would forget the camera every day that we were in Texas, which was like 4 days. So we weren't able to film all the things we did with his family or any of that.
We just mainly focus on actually enjoying our time in there in Texas. It's just been a long time since I saw my family, and it's the first time that she saw, you know, that side of my family. So unfortunately, we just didn't record that much. But
forgive us, we're still getting used to this, you know, this whole carrying the camera around all the time. So yeah, we'll do better, promise. It is coming to an end, and now we're going back home.
We almost lost our flight.
It looks so sketchy right now. But yeah, we almost lost our flight for like a second. We did not go to bed till like 4 in the morning, and our flight was at 6. So we made it safely back to LA, to California. There was a bit of an incident in the plane. Some lady like fainted. She was having seizures. It was freaking scary.
Yeah, they had to call the paramedics.
He honestly slept through the whole flight. I was trying to watch, but that's about it. We're going out.
¿Cómo se para y qué?
Síguenos, suscríbete para más contenido.
Got me falling